I just came from a data presentation. And wow, it was boring. And the sad thing was, the guy actually had great insights, but the way he shared them, my brain just checked out. And the thing is, I've given those type of presentations myself, where people almost fell asleep. And maybe you have as well. But in this video, I'll show you the 3 storytelling mistakes that smart analysts make and how to avoid them. So in your next presentation, people stay on the edge of their seat and actually do something with your insights. First of all, stop lecturing people about p-values. They don't want to hear it. Last month, there was a guy in a training who said something like, the model achieved 92% accuracy using a random forest with hyperparameter tuning. It sounds impressive, but here's what the stakeholder is really thinking. Cool, but what does it mean for me? It's like describing the specs of a coffee machine when they just want to know, does it make good coffee? So try this instead. This model can help us increase sales by 10%, which means an additional $2 million next quarter. Show what your data actually means for the business. And that's how you avoid mistake number 1. Too much technical jargon. But even if you're crystal clear in your language, you'll still lose your audience if you make the next mistake. We clean the data using advanced filtering techniques. And then you go on about removing outliers, normalizing variables, and restructuring tables. Now, stakeholders aren't thinking, wow, what a beautiful data cleaning process. They're thinking, okay, but what did you find? Don't tell them how the sausage is made. They just want to know if it tastes good. I know, you're proud of the journey, but they only care about the destination. Show them the holiday, not the flight. And picture the beach, not the plane. Don't explain how you got there. Just tell them what you've learned. So instead, try something like this. 95% of users drop off after the pricing page. So I suggest that we A/B test a simplified version of that page. This can help reduce drop-off and increase revenue. That's the structure I use. Insights, recommendation, and the benefit for them. That's how you avoid mistake number 2, explaining the method, not the meaning. All right, last example. This happens in 90% of the data presentations I see, and it kills engagement immediately. Here's a breakdown by customer, campaign, channel, lead type. You're proud of it. But your audience, they're drowning. They're zooming in, trying to find the headline, and they're hoping that you'll just tell them what matters. If we talk like that, we're giving them a fire hose when all they wanted was a glass of water. Try saying this instead. Email campaigns are driving 80% of qualified leads, but they're only getting 18% of the budget. I would recommend shifting more budget their way. Now you're not just reporting, you're guiding the decision. Because if your audience needs to play detective to find the main point, then you've already lost them. So don't make them search, make it obvious. That's how you avoid mistake number 3. The problem is, even if you avoid those mistakes, if you don't have a clear data story, your stakeholders still won't act on your insights. So watch this video next and I'll show you 4 simple steps to get way better at data storytelling. Fast. See you there.